Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and today I come with very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about second verse of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita because I have started a series in which I am going to make all of you understand each and every verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and I will make a separate video for each and every verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So total 700 videos I will upload on my channel. So let's start, and I'm trying to make all of you understand about how there's all the verses of Srimad Bhagavad Gita means implement and with a realistic example. So let's start. Let's get into the second verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. In first verse, Dhritarashtra asked Dharma Kshetra Kurukshetra Samvita Yuvishava Mamaka Pandava Shreva Kim Kuruta Sanjaya. This was the question which was asked by Dhritarashtra, and here Sanjay Uvacha. Sanjay replied to Dhritarashtra, Drashtva tu Pandavanik Vyuddha Duryodhanastad Acharya Mrupa Sanjayam Rajam Vachanam Bravita. Here Sanjay stated, O king, after looking over the army arranged in the military formation by the sons of Pandu, the king Duryodhana went to his teacher and spoke the following word. Here Duryodhana observed all such a things, all the entire army, which one was arranged by son of Pandus, and after observing this particular thing, Duryodhana went to his teacher and spoke the following words. The Dhritarashtra was blind from birth. Unfortunately, he was blind and he was bereft of the spiritual vision. Lord Krishna here stated, Satvan Rupa Sarvasya Shraddha Bhavati Bharata Yo Yo Yasasva Yom Shraddha Mayo. Satvan Rupa Sarvasya Shraddha Bhavati Bharata means our nature, three mode of the material nature, Rajas, Tamas and Sattva Gunas, which are mainly responsible for developing our faith. If we are having a passion, Sattva Gunas, then we will have a faith in a God, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. If we are having a Rajoguna, then we will have a faith in the demons and all things. And if we are having a Tamoguna, then we would have a faith in a Pichach and all. So because of these all things, Lord Krishna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, each and every verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, we can get motivation. We can be motivated from each and every verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, because Srimad Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Lord Krishna before more than 5,000 years ago, and that was the first motivational seminar which one was conducted by Lord Krishna and which was delivered to Arjuna. Life is all about battlefield. Sometimes we have to fight against those people who are actually our beloved. Sometimes we have to fight against our beloved people, but we should not deviate from our path in order to fight our beloved people, because if we are fighting for dharma, then nothing wrong in it. We have to fight, and it's our duty to fight. It's our duty to raise our voice against injustice and adharma. And he knew very well that his sons were equally blind in the matter of religion, and he was sure that they could never reach an understanding with the Pandavas, who were all pious since the birth. And still he was doubtful about the influence of the place of the pilgrimage, that was a Kurukshetra. And Sanjaya could understand his motive in asking about the situation in the battlefield. Means here Dhritarashtra was trying to know what was the situation, because he was blind, and he was even blind in a spiritual matter or spiritual vision. Sanjaya wanted therefore to encourage the despondent kings and thus assure him that his sons were not going to make any sort of the compromise under the influence of the holy place. Here Dhritarashtra stated that was a holy place, and whenever, listen it very carefully, whenever we are into the temple, and even though we are not living our evil characteristics, at that time our declination is sure to be. Listen it very carefully. Whenever we are in holy place even then we are not living or giving up all the evil nature or all the evil things or impurities which are situated in our mind. If we are not giving up at the particular holy place, then our declination, our soul degradation is sure to be. So we have to understand. Means many people are there. Many people went to Dwarka, Vrindavan, Mathura. Even then, these people are not making or giving up himself all the polluted things or the evil things which are in their minds, then that particular person's declination or degradation of the soul is sure to be. So whenever we are in holy place, means we have to renunciate all the bad qualities which are part of our character, and we have to change ourselves in a holy place by the influence of the holy place. Means Lord Krishna here stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, because of the energy, the positive energy of the holy place, the particular person will surely change. However, the particular person is very wicked, means however that particular person is wicked, even then the influence of the particular holy place will surely make that particular person change. So we just have to understand this thing. Sanjaya therefore informed the king that his son Duryodhana, after seeing the military force of the Pandavas, at once went to the commander-in-chief Dronacharya and to inform him the real position. Although Duryodhana is mentioned as the king, he still had to go to the commander on account of the seriousness of the situation. Here Pandavas arranged the Trishul Astra and Trishul Yojana in order to attack on Kauravas, and he was therefore quite fit to politician. But Duryodhana's diplomatic veneer could not disguise the fear he felt when he saw the military arrangement of the Pandavas. Pandavas arranged too good military arrangement by the influence and by the supreme guidance of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna asked Arjuna to arrange the Trishul Astra or Trishul Yojana in order to attack on Pandavas. So Lord Krishna is there, then Arjuna don't have to get any kind of fear. But in the case of Duryodhana, there were many warriors, and then no Akshauhini Sena of Lord Krishna was with Duryodhana in the part of Duryodhana at that time. Even then, Duryodhana got a fear, because he knew that his party or the people who are associated with him, these all are not associated with Dharma, and these all are not in a spiritual direction, in a spiritual path. So because of the spiritual path, one can get the degradation and as well as the upgradation. Demolition and emolition is also there because of spiritual path. Spiritual path will definitely make you understand what ought to do and what ought not to do. So we have to understand, this is the second verse in observing entire army. Duryodhana went to Guru Dronacharya and asked the following words: what kind of our next plan, and how will we counter attack on Pandavas Trishul Astra or Trishul arrangement? So this was the question which was asked by Duryodhana to Dronacharya. So I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. And whenever we are in a difficulty, we have to approach to our elder people who are having a good experience, and they can direct us in a right path. So this is a lesson of the life we have to understand. Whenever we are in a difficulty, we have to approach to experienced person, and that particular person will surely guide to all of us. Until unless to approach the particular person, we will never get any kind of guidance, because sometimes we have to learn from the experience of the other people rather than to get the experience of the particular, to fall down in the particular situation to get the particular experience. So I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.